With just a few text prompts, you can build your own fully functional custom app by simply entering something like "build me a minimalist to-do app," and in just minutes, you'll have your very own app. And you can even integrate an AI assistant, which also integrates with WhatsApp so that your users right here, and by the way, it's mobile friendly too, can chat with your AI assistant directly and type in something like "create new IG carousel as task 3," and then the AI agent will automatically add that task in that I added into WhatsApp chat. And you can see now it says create new IG carousel. So this way it makes it super convenient for your users to talk to your app by simply using WhatsApp or the AI assistant right here and typing away. And I'll show you exactly how to build something like this in just a matter of minutes. So let's tune in. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is sign up to Base44. Link to it will be in the description box below. And by the way, if you use a coupon code in the description box below, that'll give you a few more extra credits to use. The great thing about Base44 is that you can sign up for free, and to enter the coupon code to get those free credits, you can go to your account and then go to billing. Down the bottom, you'll see this have a coupon code link, and then enter the code provided in the description box below. Now, to start creating your very first app in Base44, all you need to do is describe the app that you want to create. Just like most LLMs like ChatGPT and Claude, anything that outputs something, you want to be as specific as possible so that you get the actual results that you want. Referring back to the demo app that I created, this is a productivity to-do app, and essentially the concept behind this is to only add 3 to-dos, and that's the task that you need to do for the day, rather than overwhelming yourself with something like 20 tasks. So what I did was I prompted it to build a minimalist to-do app that focuses on just a maximum of 3 tasks to do, and you can see it goes on. So that's the kind of specifics that you want to add when describing. So that's what I've added, and then I also added name the app 3 and design a nice logo for it. The user can only add a maximum of 3 to-dos. All right, so that is in terms of styling, branding as well, which you can also do later on. And that's a great thing about these vibe coding tools, because you can iterate and tweak, make those adjustments as you go along. You can see in this chat prompt on the left here, where you can simply enter something like change the color of the entire app, change the branding, change the name of the logo, anything you want, as well as the functionalities and more advanced things too. Once you've added your prompt, simply enter the submit button, and at this point, all you need to do is let it do its job of developing and building your app. Now, it'll take a few minutes, but once it's created, it will show you a preview of your app and then all the things that it has created and all the things that it's added. The next thing you can do is make those fine refinements. Let's say you're not happy with the colors. All you need to do is type in something like change the branding to whatever colors it may be. Now, if you do want to change the logo, then you can also request that and prompt for that to happen. If you want to do something a little more advanced, such as the ability to drag and drop the tasks in whatever order you want, then you can also prompt that. And that's the beauty of Base44. But now what I want to show you is how to add an AI agent or a chat assistant to your app. It is really easy. If you go to your dashboard, this is how your app is controlled. You can control all your users. You can manage the actual data in terms of the database. So these are all the tasks that have been added by users. You can check out analytics of your app, as well as adding a custom domain so that it's not this generic Base44 app. There's security functionalities as well, but the one in particular that we are focusing in on is agents. I've already enabled mine, but if you haven't, this is what it looks like. So you need to first enable agents and then click on that. And then it says add your first agent. So you simply go back to preview. So in the chat prompt to add that AI agent, all you need to do is add an agent to my app, and that's essentially what I did, and it automatically creates it, and you can see that it helps manage your 3 essential tasks. This assistant will live on a new assistant page, you can see in the preview later on. But if you want to be more specific in terms of the role of your agent, then you can put it in. So something like an AI assistant to help you manage your 3 essential tasks in the 3 app. But in this case, I just want a general assistant that can talk to the app. Now, once it's added, you can see that it is added indeed there. And then if you go back to agents under dashboard, you can see that it's right here. In your preview, you can see that a new page has been added called Assistant. Now, you won't have the WhatsApp button and chat mode enabled yet, but you do have this text prompt. So the user can technically add whatever they want, such as add a new task or add new meeting notes or something like that into the task manager. That's great, but the whole point is to enable it on your phone so that users can do it conveniently from anywhere. So if we go back to Dashboard Agents, then click on Edit Agent, there are a few more things that you can play around with, such as guidelines. So description, this is a system prompt that defines the agent's behavior. So feel free to tweak this. Under instructions, you can set your parameters and say something like you are a friendly and encouraging productivity assistant for the 3 app. And here's the goal. All that can be instructed right here. These are a few tools, a bit more advanced there, but what we are looking for is WhatsApp. And then you simply want to enable WhatsApp. Once WhatsApp's enabled, you can see that the button now exists. And then when the user clicks on chat on WhatsApp, they'll get this prompt either on mobile or desktop. They'll click on Open WhatsApp. And here I am in WhatsApp. It will send this message right here with the activation code. And bear in mind, this is a bot from Base44. And this is what the user essentially sees. And from here, we can chat away and say something like delete task 3 or something like that. And then it'll do that for you. And there are a few other options here, and you're able to add a custom welcome message for your users. So as you can see, there was no coding required to build the app and also make those adjustments, make those tweaks, and also add different functionalities such as adding an AI assistant to it. Once you're ready to go live and start getting users, you want to click on Publish. You'll be given an available temporary domain name unless you add a custom domain name, which I highly suggest you do. You want to click on Publish App. And the great thing about Base44 is that it'll automatically create a sign-up form so that your users can sign up and start using your app. This can be all controlled under Dashboard, Overview, and then you can look under App Visibility. You can make it private, public, require login to access or not. So as you saw in this video, in a matter of minutes, you can develop your very own custom, fully functional app with built-in AI and an AI assistant and agent. I've got another step-by-step Base44 tutorial, which I'll link up right here. So I'll see you there.